in this nice evening, let us start our class. And those who are coming late, let them join. Okay. So, good evening to all. Let me share your screen. Is it visible? Is it visible?
It's loading. Now it's visible.
It's visible, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we will learn something on this today. Okay. So I have a message for you. The message is something like this. Okay. My message is. Are you able to read the message? Hello. Are you able to read the message?
Yes,
Jay,
sir.
Yes, sir.
read it. Read it. Read the message. What is that message? Can you read it? Read it. So what is that message is all about? What it says? What it says?
So about concentration.
Yeah, what do you want to concentrate upon something like, okay, why you wanted to concentrate basically. So when you want to concentrate on something, so it is not the question of your capability, it is just the question of your involvement. So once you involve in something, all right, once you involve in something, concentration comes automatically. Okay, understand? Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
So the first
Yes.
question of this class, let us understand, this is the first question. The first question is this. So how can you take 2 from 5 and leave 4? So your time starts now, you can think of this. Please think on how can you do this. How can you take So my question is, how can you take 2 from 5 and leave 4? Any idea? You guys any idea? No ideas. If you have any idea, you can tell me. Nandan, I can't see you. Yes, okay. The first question is on the screen. How can you take 2 from 5 and leave 4? This is the question. So I don't think you'll be able to tell me this answer. So let me show you the answer, okay? A small question. Yeah. This is the way it can be done. We'll take 5 in this way, remove the 2 letters F and D from 5 and you have 4. Is it okay? Hello? Is it okay? Not okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So let's move on to the next one. All right.
Sir, we should write this, sir.
No, this is not needed. Just for uh, refreshing our brain, I've given you the questions. All right. Next question. So this is the question. You can think on this question. Please read and understand this question. So Vijay, if you are okay, you can read the question a little loudly.
Yes, sir. Shanta was copying down his mathematics homework with other, but because he was in a hurry, he copied it down incorrectly. They had been learning about multiplication and had 5 of them to do at home. Shanta, however, copied every number down backwards. Instead of writing 14 into 82, Shanta wrote 41 into 28. Instead of writing 13 into 16, Shanta wrote 31 into 26. Fortunately for Shanta, all answers were still correct. What were the other 3 questions?
Yeah, so what has happened here, instead of 14 into 82, he wrote 41 into 28. And instead of writing 13 into 62, he wrote 31 into 26. All right, that part are you able to understand? Are you able to understand that part? Still it is correct how that has happened. Still it is correct how that has happened is a question here. Okay. Are you able to understand what I'm asking?
Yes, sir.
So the question here is how that is possible. How this is possible? How is it possible? Hello? Any guess? Any guess? Mandana, any guess?
Sir, writing set.
Okay, what has happened here? It went like this. Instead of writing 14 into 82, boy wrote 41 into 28. Both give the answer 1148 because 1 is to 8, 1 into 8 is the same as 4 into 2. Okay? Hello? You write 14 into 82, then what will happen? Or 82 into 14, what will happen? You understood what I'm saying?
Sir.
So if you write down both, then it is same as what the other number. Instead of writing 13 into 62, he wrote 31 into 26. He wrote 31 into 26. Both give the answer 806 because 1 into 6 is the same as 3 into 2. Okay. Are you able to understand? Okay. We also know that 1 is to 4, 1 into 4 is the same as 2 into 2. 1 into 8 is the same as 2 into 4. And 1 into 6 is the same as 2 into 3. So the other three questions were 12 into 42, 12 into 84, 12 into 63. Are you able to understand? If you
Yes,
take
sir.
your book and write this and see. You write 14 into 82 and you write 41 and 82. Okay, then when you are multiplying, how you multiply? Step 1, step 2, step 3. Likewise, if you go, you will understand that both the numbers are with the same result. Okay. Atulyan, are you able to understand? Yes. Let's see the next question. Yeah, it's a question. If you want, you can write down this question. An orchestra of 120 players, please do write if you want. An orchestra of 120 players takes 40 minutes to play Beethoven's 9th Symphony. Okay, what happens? An orchestra, okay, players take 40 minutes to play Beethoven's 9th Symphony. How long would it take for 60 players to play the symphony? Okay, question is understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
All right. So what could be the answer? According to you, what are you thinking? What can be? What may be the answer? Hello. Are you with me? All of you with me? So what can be the answer?
Sir, that how long would it take for 60 players to play the symphonies? 9 symphonies, sir. 20 minutes, sir.
If you said 80 minutes, you are among the majority, but you are still wrong. A song is 40 minutes, no matter how many people are playing it. You understood what I'm saying? Are you able to understand? A song is what the question says. Let's understand the question. An orchestra of 120 players takes 40 minutes to play Beethoven's 9th Symphony. How long would it take for us 60 players to play the symphony? It's again 40. Am I right? It's again 40 minutes. Nandana, not able to understand.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Not able to understand.
Understood, sir.
Next question. Atulyan, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Keep your videos on. Okay. Now the next question. A shepherd had 17 sheep. All but 9 died. How many was left with?
17.
What? Sorry.
17.
It is how much? 17. So
Sir,
why do you say
Sir,
17?
all but 9 died.
Ah. So what is the answer?
Sir, 17, sir.
Nandana, what is the answer? What could be the answer, Nandana? What could be the answer?
So 17 only will come, sir.
Why do you say think 17? And Atulyan, what is the answer? Atulyan. Rahul. What could be the answer, Rahul?
Sir, now only in came, sir. I switched networks.
Okay. Okay. So a shepherd had 17 sheep, all but 9 died. How many was left with? Now you look at this. Answer is C. All but 9 died. Means all except 9 died.
Sir, is it 9?
All except 9. That is 9 sheep remained alive. You understood? All but 9 died. All but 9 died. That means all except 9. Not able to understand? Hope you understood this. So,
Understood, sir.
shall we move to the next one? Yes. Next question is on the board. Please check it. I expect this to be answered by Nandana. Nandana, please answer. Nandana, please
Yes,
answer.
sir.
Please answer.
I found the answer.
What is, sorry?
Found the answers.
I know. Vijay can say this answer. Vijay, what is the answer? Right?
Sir, 87.
87. How?
Or 78, sir. Yes, 7, 8.
How 87 or 78? Which one?
So in the reverse order, from the above, we can see that 86.
Okay, in the reverse order, it is 87. The
Yes,
parking
sir.
slot number is 87. Okay.
Then we can see an opposite 7 and 8. 8,
Yeah,
sir.
this is 98. It is not 98. It is 87. 8, 6, 8, 7. 88, 89, 90, 91.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 87.
7.
So the parking number is what? This number is 87. Next. Here is a question. Please think of this question. You may kindly write down this question. Please write it down. Have you all completed? Atulyan, are you able to write this? Atulyan, have you all completed? Rahul?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Completed? Okay, let's discuss the answer now. Is it okay? Shall we discuss? So what the question says, Nandana?
Sir, how can you measure 6 liters of water using only 4 and 9 liter bowls?
Okay. So what we have here, we have 1 liter, one bowl with 9 liter, another bowl with 4 liter. We need exactly 6 liter. How do we take it now? Atulyan, how do we take it? I will switch on your video. Atulyan, switch on video. Yes, switch on your video, okay? So how can we take exactly 6 liter now? You have 2 jugs, okay? You have 2 jar with you. One jar is with 4 liter. Another jar can contain 9 liter. But I need exactly 6 liter. So if it is a oil, if I'm going to purchase coconut oil, I want coconut oil of 6 liter exactly. How, if you are the shopkeeper, how will you give me? You have only 2 jar with you. How will you give me?
Sir, first pour the 6 liters into 4 liters, sir. So
No 6 liter is here.
Sir, no, sir.
Vijay.
Pour the water into the 4 liter bowl, sir. Bowl, sir.
Okay.
When it fully is filled completely, then we should pour the remaining into 9 liters.
No, you are pouring in 4 liter, and after pouring 4 liter, what you do?
Sir, you should
What
pour
you
the
will do?
remaining in the 9 liters.
That means 4 liter. See, you have 4 liter means how you remind here. 4 liter is you are taking only 4 liter. That 4 liter you'll put into 9 liter. Is that what you said?
Sir, first we should, from the 6 liters, sir, we should pour 4 liters to the 4 liter bowl and remaining to the 9 liters.
Where it will remain? No, it is not 6 liter exactly. It is not 9 liter though. See, you have a barrel. In that barrel, you have that much oil. Okay, you have full of oil. Now you have 2 jar. One jar is 9 liter. Another jar is 4 liter. I need exactly 6 liter. How this is possible? This is only one method. We'll discuss the method here. Look at this method. What is happening? First, what we have to do? First, fill the 9 liter bowl. Okay. First, fill the 9 liter bowl. Then pour the liters. Then pour the liters to the 4 liter bowl. 9 liter bowl is got 9 liter jug is got 9 liter oil. From 9 liter, I'll fill 4 liter. So how much 4 liter will have? 4 liter will have 4 liter. 9 liter will have 5. Am I right? Hello. 9 liter will have 5. From 9 liter, I have taken 4 liter to 4 liter. That means 9 liter will have 5. Isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So 9 liter is 5 liter now. 4 liter is 4 liter. Now this 4 liter, I'll put it back to the oil again. I'll pour it back to the oil from where I took. Now 4 liter is empty. Okay. 9 liter is got how much? 9 liter is got how much? 5. 5. Already from 9 we have taken 4. Balance 5 is there. Now from this 5 again I'll pour 4 liter. So 9 liter is got 1 liter. 4 liter is got 4 liter. Now this 4 liter I'll put it back again to the place from where I took the oil. I put it back. Now 4 liter is empty. 9 liter is 1 liter. Is it okay? Now again this 1 liter I'll put into 4 liter. That means 4 liter will have 1 liter and 9 liter is empty. Now from 9 liter I'll take again the oil and I fill 9 liter. When I fill 9 liter will have 9 liter and 4 liter is got 1 liter. Okay. 4 liter is got 1 liter. From 9 liter I'll put 3 liter to 4 liter. Okay, because 4 liter is already having 1 liter. So from 9 liter now I'll pour 3 liter to 4 liter. That means 9 liter will have exactly 6 liter. Understood? Understood? Confusing or understood? Okay. Yeah, let's move to the next one. Let me write down this. Please write it down. If 1 equal to 0 and then 3 equal to 6, 4 equal to 12, 2 is equal to 10, then what is 5 equal to? What is the answer? What it can be? Rahul, keep the mic on here. Sorry, the video also on here.
Sir, the data
The
card
20.
will get over, sir.
How much it is?
Sir, the net
20.
will get
Okay, okay, Rahul. Oh, Vijay, how much it is? 20.
20.
How it is?
So 1 into 0 is equal to 0, sir. Then
Okay.
here 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Then 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Then
Hmm.
5 into 4 is equal to
Okay, let's see. Yeah, the answer is 20. Square the number and then subtract the given number and get the number on the right side of the equation. Okay. Is it okay? Have you all copied it? Have you all copied it? Okay, let's go to the next question. This is slightly a big question. I mean, we'll try this or we'll go to the next one.
Sir, we will try.
Okay, very good, very good, very good, very good. There are 49 dogs signed up to compete in the dog show. There are 36 more small dogs than large dogs signed up to compete. How many small dogs are there? How many small dogs are signed up to compete? What we have to identify here, Atul? Atulin, what we have to identify here? Tell me what we have to identify here.
how many small dogs are signed up?
Okay. So what shall we do?
So 13.
13. Okay. Okay. How you have come to 13?
So no, small dogs signed up is
Okay.
sir,
Okay.
13 only.
Okay. Nandana. Nandana.
Sir,
Yeah, you're working out. Rahul. Rahul, what is the answer here? What could
sir,
be?
1 minute.
Rahul is trying. Let's see the answer. The answer is 42.5 dogs. So how that 0.5 dogs? In order to figure out how many small dogs are competing, you have to subtract 36 from 49 and then divide that answer by 13. Divide that answer 13, okay, by 2 to get 6.5 dogs, or the number of big dogs competing, but you are not done it. Yeah, you then have to add 6.5 to 36 to get the number of small dogs competing, which is 42.5. Of course, it is not actually possible for a half dog to compete in a dog show, but for the sake of this problem, let's assume that it is. So what has happened here? What happened here? Vijay, what happened here? Yeah.
Subtract 40 by
Yes. Yes. In order to figure it out, how many small dogs are competing, you have to subtract 36 from 49 and then divide the answer by 13. Am I right? All right. By 2. Okay. To get 6.5 dogs. All right. Do you want to copy this? Nandana, are you copying it?
yes, sir.
Okay. Atulin. Atulin, again, you switched off the video. I don't like switching off the video. Please keep your video on. I said to keep the videos on.
Sir, can you show the question once, sir?
Yeah. Question is there. Question is on the screen. So let's move to the answer. Okay, the next question. So we are learning about this analogy part. A little bit of analogy we'll be learning today. Okay. So analogy is basically analogy tests are meant to test students' overall knowledge, power of reasoning, and ability to think accurately. Okay. So this will be the ability that how you think, how smart you can think, how quickly you can think, how best you can think, and your problem solving capacity. Okay. That's why it is going on. So let us move on to the first question of this analogy part. Have you all taken a topic as analogy now? Have you written somewhere in your notebooks? Are you writing analogy? Please do write analogy as topic. Have you written? Do you want to if you want to write the definition also, if possible, you can please do that. Please do that. All right. So let's discuss the first problem of this section. I have given you a problem with an example here. It is written as ship is to sea. In that case, camel is to what? So of course,
Desert.
it's correct. So it's already given the solution. Ship is means transport in sea, whereas camel is the means of transport in desert. So the answer is D. Is it okay with everyone? Yeah. Let's move
Why
on to
did
the
you
next
give the
question.
answer?
Sorry.
Why did you give a solution with the questions?
So which I just wanted to show you one example.
Yes, sir.
This is one example how it has to be seen. Okay. Next question. So please copy this question. You may please write down this question. Kindly write down the question. Newspaper is to press. In the case, cloth is to
Sir,
what?
milk. Option D, milk.
We'll see.
Sir, D, sir, milk.
Hope you copied the question. Have you copied the question? Kindly copy the question if you have not done. Have you all copied the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's see the answer now here. The answer is D. Yes. Just the newspaper is prepared in press. Cloth is manufactured in the mill. Okay. Is it okay? Atulyan, is it okay? Yeah. Next question. The next question is on the board. Please to copy this question if you want. Kindly copy this question. The question is calendar is to dates and what is dictionary in that case?
Sir, words, C option.
Option C, words. Who said
Yes.
this?
Nandana, sir.
Okay. Calendar is to days. In that case, dictionary is to what? Dictionary is to? Vijay, dictionary is to?
Sir, vocabulary.
Dictionary is to words. Okay. Calendar is a list of days and dictionary is a collection of words. So the choice is C. Okay. Words. Nandana was correct. So words is the answer. Is it okay? All of you?
Yes, sir.
We'll have to take a next question. Okay. The next question is chimney is to smoke dash dash. In that case, which one will match for this? A or B or C or D?
Sir, A.
Sir, D,
Who said,
house
who
roof.
said D? Do D. Why do you say D? This is to roof. Okay.
Sir,
Nandana?
option D.
Sir, option A, sir.
Nandana?
A,
Option
sir.
A.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why do you think option A?
Sir, smoke comes from chimney, sir. So, bullet also comes from gun.
Okay. Rahul?
D, sir.
A. Okay. The answer is A. Okay. As smoke comes out of chimney, bullet comes out of gun. Okay. So the answer is
A.
Atulyan. Answer
Sir,
is
A.
Next question. This will be told by Atulyan.
Sir,
Atulyan will answer this.
sir, what?
Atulya, please answer.
Sir, B or R.
BRR. Why?
No, sir, they gave DDA, ADD, sir. That means B or R. No, the RRB, it will come BRR, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
So answer is BRR. Okay. All right. Next question. Please write down this question. This is little tough. ACFJ is related to ZXUQ in the same way EGJN is related to what? Nandana, keep video on. ACFJ is related to ZXUQ in the same way as EGJN related to what? What will happen? So in this kind of a question, first of all, when you are getting such questions, you should write A to Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H till Z, and you should give A as 1, B as 2, C as 3, likewise, and find out the relationship. Atulya, keep the video on, Atulya. Yeah, okay. Is it okay? Question, are you able to copy the question? Hope you all copied the question. Let's move on to the answer now. Shall we?
Just a second, sir.
Yeah, okay, okay, okay. Are you all with me? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what will be the answer, Vijay? I think you are trying out. Let's see. We'll discuss this.
The one
Answer is B. So how answer is B? A, C, F, J are first, third, sixth, and tenth letters, whereas Z, X, U, Q are the first, third, sixth, and 10th letters from the end. Okay, from the end. In the same way, E, G, J, N are related to V, T, Q, M. Okay, is it okay? Hello, my dears.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's move to the next question. The next question is on the board. Next question is on the board. What could be the answer for this question? How do we calculate this? If 9 is to 80, then what is 7 is 2? What will happen? How do we calculate? How 9 is related to 80? Can the 9 square be 80? Okay. So can that be 9 square?
The 48.
Yeah, of course. So let's see. 9 square divided 9 square minus 1, which is 80. Same way 7 square minus 1, which will be 48. Which will be
There are 50, sir. 48 or 50.
48. Let's see. It is 48.
Yes, sir.
Understood. X square minus 1. X square minus 1. So the missing number is 7 square minus 1, which is 48. Is it okay with all of you? Are you all okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall we move to the next question?
Yes.
Sir,
Yes. Yes, Rahul.
yes, sir.
Okay. So 372 is to 124. In that case, what is the 2 digit which is missing here? What is missing here? What do you think something is missing here, and what do you think what it is?
I found the answer.
Yeah, options.
Option C, sir.
By A option.
Sir, 1 minute,
Yeah, I'm listening. I'm listening.
Sir, option C, sir.
By option C.
Sir, 372 is to 120. 124 into 3 is.
Okay.
1 second, sir.
Yeah. Listening completely.
Sir, yes, sir. 124 into 3 is 372, sir.
Okay.
So then 208 into 3 is 626.
Hmm.
So just
Okay. Okay.
so answer is C, sir. Option C.
Answer is
C, sir.
option C.
C
Let's
option
see.
only, sir.
Let's see. Yeah. In the given pair, first number is 3 times the second. So 624 is 3 times 208. Hence the answer is C. Okay.
Yes,
Shall we
sir.
move to the next one, Vijay?
Yes, sir.
The next question is on the board. Which set of numbers is like the given set? 64, 32, 8 is the given set. In that method, under this A, B, C, D, which number will match to that given set? Atulin will answer me.
Sir, I think so, C, sir.
Why you think so, C?
Sir, no, sir. 64 divided by 2 is 32, sir. Like that, 56 divided by 2 is 28, sir.
Yeah.
Then 32 divided by 4 is 8, sir. So
Okay.
28 divided by 4 is 7.
All right. Wonderful thinking. Good thinking. So the answer is C. Okay. Answer is C. In the given set, the first number is divided by 2 to get the second number, and second number divided by 4 to get the third number. Hence, the choice is C. Is it okay? Nandana, is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next question on the board. If 48 is to 122, then 168 is to what? Rahul, tell me the answer.
Sir, still thinking, sir.
Why thinking here? Right? What is there to think too much on this? Very simple question. Very, very simple question. 48 is to 122, 168 is to 1. Are you all writing these questions? You don't have to wait for me to tell, okay? Please do write the question. Yes. So let's discuss the answer. Answer is C, because 48 is to 122, that has come 7 square minus 1, and the same way 122 has come 11 square plus 1. Okay, that is 168 is equal to 13 is 13 square minus 1, and so on. But what will be next? 17 square plus 1, which will be 290. Understood? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
So first we have to see the relationship between the number. First number is whether it is single digit and double digit, and the last number is three digit or 4 digits. So likewise, see if it is a 4 digits and two digit, there can be chances of multiplication and division. And if it is a single digit, there can be a chances of the subtraction, okay, or addition, multiplication, etc. All right. Are you all with me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let's move to the next question. The next question is on board. Please do write this question. Kindly write this question, okay? So have you completed writing? Have you all done the writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we need to find out here, Nandana? What we are supposed to find out?
Sir, in that cake, sir, Rajiv got 1/4, sir,
Okay.
and the other part was distributed equally among his friends.
Okay.
If Rajiv's portion is 3 times of each his friend got, how many people were there in the park?
So how many people were there in the party? That was the confusing statement. Am I right? So how many
Yes.
were there in the party? So let us discuss how many were there in the party. How do you do this? Okay. Portion of the cake distributed among Rajiv's friend is how much? From one half, right? From one, sorry, one quarter of it is been taken. All right. So that means balance is 3/4. Am I right? Yes or no? 75% is left. Let the number of friends be x. Then each friend must have got 3/4 x portion. Okay. X portions of 3/4. Am I right? Yes or no? Yes. As per the question, the portion that Rajiv got is 3 times compared to the friend. So if I got Rajiv got like 1/4 of it. I got it from 3/4. I got it from 3/4. But Rajiv got okay. Rajiv got 3 times compared to each friend. So from my cake piece, 3 times extra Rajiv got. You understood? Okay. Hence 3 into 3/4 x is equal to 1/4 x is equal to 9. So that the number of friends is equal to 9. Are you able to understand this?
Yes,
If not,
sir.
you ask me. Understood? Adulin understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's see, Rahul. Shall we move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Next question is on the board. How much 2/3 of 72 more than 1/3 of 90? 1/3 of 90 and 0. What could be the answer? Are you all working out? Atulin, are you working out? Vijay,
Doing so.
what is the answer? I think Rahul can tell me this answer. I think so. How much is 2/3 of 72 more than 1/3 of 90? Nobody is coming. So let me answer.
18.
Huh?
18.
18.
1. It's 1/8.
1/8. What else? What else is there?
Sir, 18, sir.
Okay, let's see the answer. Wonderful. So 2/3 of 72 is 2/3 into 72, which is 48, and the 1/3 of 90 is equal to 1/3 into 90, which will be 30. Therefore, 48 minus 30 is 18. Who are all said to me this answer? Nandana said. Yes, yes, yes.
I said, sir. Also, Rahul.
Okay, 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 okay. Next question is here. Please do write if you want. Kindly write it fast. You may kindly write this. Please do write this. Okay, so what is the answer, Rahul?
I
Rahul.
still didn't do sir writing questions, sir.
Okay. So write down the question first. Mandana, any this?
Sir, nobody can say.
Nobody can say. Why?
Sir, many pigs are of different colors.
We'll see the answer. Shall we? Well, let's discuss the answer. None, because pigs can't speak. What happened? What happened here, Atulyan? What happened? Is it okay? Vijay, is it okay? Let's move on to the next one. Huh?
Nothing.
Yeah, nothing. Okay. Twisting of brain. Next question. Please do draw it fast. Kindly draw this. Atulyan, draw this. Which number should replace the question mark in the number bond? So which number do you think? You think which number should be here? Which number should be here? Which number should be here? Any idea? All right, let's discuss, because here what it happens on top, it is written 12, then 28 and 33, 18 and 35. So is there any relationship between the numbers? If we find out that, we will know how that numbers are written here. So can we do an understanding? 35 and 33, what is the difference on the
Two.
common number?
Two, sir.
2. This and this 2. 18 and 28.
10, sir.
So 10 plus 2 is how much?
12.
Is it happening? Is it happening?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So shall we find out here in that case? Atulyan, find out.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 9, sir.
9, sir.
9.
9, sir.
Nine.
Nandana, I said 9.
Yes, sir.
I said 35 plus 33. Sorry, 35 minus 33, 2. 18 minus 28 minus 18, which is 10. 10 plus 2, 12 here. So 14 minus 14,
9. Sir, 5, sir.
5, 11.
Sir, 9, 11
nine,
minus 9,
five.
2. So 5 plus 2, 7.
So 9 is the answer, right? Is 9 the answer? What is happening here? T minus R, okay? T minus R plus Q minus S, which will be P. So T minus 11 plus 14 minus 9, which is 7. So in that case, T minus 11 is equal to 7 minus 5. T minus 11 is equal to 2. In that case, 2 is T is to T equal to 2 plus 11, which is 13. So, and what is the answer? What is the answer?
13.
13. 13 answer. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 Do you want to copy this?
Sir, yes, sir.
I want to copy this. Copy it here. Copy it. All right, let's move to the next one. Are you all with me? So shall we move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Let's see the next one. Yeah. Here is a question. If you are okay, copy this. Write down the question, please. Write it down. Please do write the question. Kindly write it down. Once you complete, you ask me, we'll discuss. Let's discuss the answer. So what is the question here? A teacher gives 13 marks to one student and 12 marks to another student. So in one exam, can you tell the time by using the above statement? What time the paper would have been distributed? Using the mark. Hello?
So,
Any guess, Rahul? Any guess? Vijay, any guess here?
so
Amber,
one,
any guess? Tell me. One.
so one,
How it is one?
so 13 minus 12.
Okay. Nandana?
Sir, sir, I'm doing only, sir.
Araya, it has taken a lot of time. Okay, let's see. You are keeping your video in off mode. Don't keep videos in off mode. Okay, let's see. So here answer is 145. How? The teacher gave a total of 25 marks to 2 students. 13 plus 12. 25 is a quarter. Okay, 25 is a quarter. So teacher gave quarter to 2. So quarter to 2 is 145. Able to understand or not able to understand? Are you able to understand, Nandana? If not, ask me.
Yes, sir, I am not able to understand, sir.
Okay. See, look at this. A teacher gave a total of 25 marks. One student got 13, another student got 12. So 13 plus how much? 13 plus 12 is how much? 25. 25. 13 plus 12 is 25. 25 means, how do we say 25? If full circle, let's take a full circle. Half circle is 50, next to 50. Okay. One circle, if you take half of one circle is 50, another part is 50. So quarter is how much?
25.
25. So 25 she is given to 2 students. That 25 is given to 2 students. Quarter 2. Teacher has given that quarter to 2 students. That means quarter to 2 is 145.
Okay.
Somebody says time. What is the time now? Time is quarter to 2. 145. Quarter past 2. It is how much? Quarter past 2. 2?
2:15, sir.
2:15. Okay. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Let's move to the next one. Yeah, the next question is on the board. 81 into 9 is equal to 801. What must you to do? What must you to do? Okay, what must you do to make the question true? What we can do here? 81 into 9, which is equal to 801. What must you do to make this equation true? What you must do? Vijay? And Rahul? Rahul, tell me now thinking. Rahul?
Yeah. Oh,
Tell me, Rahul.
I can't understand, sir.
81 into 9, 801. What must you do to make this equation true? Because we know that 81 into 9 is not 801. Is it 801?
No,
No.
sir.
So How do we correct the equation? There is only one way. Turn it upside. Turn it upside down, then the equation will be correct. 108 is equal to 6 into 18. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay or okay? Is it okay? Are you all with me? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question. So think this question, I would expect everyone to answer me. So somebody read this. I'll ask Atulyan to read. Atulyan, read the question.
So the distance from the Earth to the Sun is about 100 million miles. The speed of light is
1,86,000.
186,000 miles per second, and light takes 8 minutes to reach the Earth from the Sun. Let's say the Sun rose at 6 a.m. this morning, and by some freak of physics, the speed of light is suddenly doubled to 372 miles a second. What time will the sun rise tomorrow?
3 a.m.
Okay. Why do you say 3 a.m.?
Sir?
Why do you think it is 3 a.m.?
Uh,
Hello,
3.
sir.
I think I made a mistake. Wait, sir.
Sir, 6 o'clock, 6 a.m. sir.
6 a.m.?
6 a.m. sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Who said that?
Sir, Vijay.
Okay. Let's see. Understood? Whatever may be the speed of the light or whatever it is, okay, it's all about the matter of speed of the rotation of the earth matters here, isn't it? Again it will rise up 6 a.m. Hello, are you all with me?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes. Okay. Next question. Let's move to the next question. Yeah. You may please write down this. Atulyan, where are you?
Sir.
Write down the question. So what is the answer? Hope everyone copied this.
Sir, 12 times, sir.
12 times. Who said that?
Sir, Vijay.
Okay. Why it is 12 times?
Sir, because 3 minus 2 is 1, sir. So every time the frog will jump for 3 1. So,
Okay.
so it should go
What is
up.
it?
1 1 1 is 12 times 1 only is 12 feet, sir.
Okay.
So, maybe.
All right. Okay. So what is the answer, others? Anyone wants to try? Anyone wants to try? Rahul want to try?
answers.
Okay. Well, let's see the answer. So hope everyone copies this. Nandana, want to try? You want to try?
Sir, so 12 times only it's coming for me, sir.
Acha. Okay. Let's see. The 10th jump took him out. Why? On the 10th jump, he reached 13 feet and was out. Not able to understand. Arey yaar, if the total depth of the fell into 12 feet deep. The depth of the well, depth of the well is 12 feet. Okay, at every jump he takes 3. Okay, so till 9th he would have taken 9 steps. On the 10th jump, what happened? He can always jump 3 feet. Am I right? On the 10th jump, if he can jump 3 feet. So on the 10th jump, he is out. How he'll fall down now? Not able to understand. Understood? Huh?
Couldn't understand, sir.
Not able to understand. Nandana.
I understood, sir.
Nandana, listen, Nandana. For example, the frog each jump he can jump 3 feet, but when he jump 3 feet, he slips back 2. So first jump he is at first, second jump he is at second, third jump he is at third, fourth jump he is at fourth. Likewise, till 9th jump he is at 9th steps. Okay. When he reach to the 10th jump, from 10th he can jump 3 feet.
Oh,
So
okay.
3 feet, he is out. You
Yes.
understand? When he's at the 10th jump, he jumped out because he can jump 10 plus. Here it is 12 feet only, na? The height is only 12 feet. So at the 10th jump, he jumped 3 feet again. So that he's out.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Let's go to the next one. Here is a question.
Nine.
9.
Yes, sir.
Atulya? Where is Atulya? Atulya, what is the answer?
The 9th.
Vijay, it is 9.
As Mr. and Mrs. 2 members, sir. 6 daughter, 8 sir. And each daughter have 1 brother, sir. So 1. 6
Yeah,
plus 1.
correct. There are 9 mustards in the family since each daughter shares the same brother. Okay, each daughter has got 1 brother. So each daughter automatically each sister, right? Each sisters they've got only 1 brother. So total it is 9. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Let's move to the next one. Please do write this. You may write as P equal to addition, Q equal to subtraction. Likewise, kindly write and check which equation listed here is matching or it is correct. Use Bodmas rule. Use Bodmas rule. In all the numbers A, B, C, D, in which it is matching. It is either it is matching in A or it is B or C or D. P stands for what? P is equal to addition. And yeah, Q denotes what? Q denote?
Subtraction.
Very good. And S is equal to division. S means division. So you write here 16 or 16 into 12 P what? Plus 16 into 12 plus 49 divided by 7 minus 9. Am I right? So try which one is correct according to this. So which one we are getting? So Vijay, which one is correct? Trying?
Yes,
Atulya
sir.
trying? Atulya, are you trying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Using board mass rule, which option is correct? Okay. So I think we'll discuss. It's taking time. You guys are taking a lot of time. So let us discuss.
Sir, option C, sir.
Option C, are you sure?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay. Option C. 8 into 8 divided by 8. 8 into 8, addition 8 divided by 8, subtraction 8, which will be 8 into 8 plus 8 divided by 8, which is minus, yeah,
1
62.
minus 8.
So 57. So option C is correct using board mass. Is it clear? Is it
Yes.
clear?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Next question. Rectify the following quantity 101 minus 102 equal to 1 by just moving one digit. How can we do this?
Sir, just take 2 to this side and 1 to that side.
Hey, yaar, look at this. What did they say? What did they say? They said one digit. You should not touch two digits.
Say, sir, 1 here. Oh, 1 digit.
One digit. Very simple. It is told to you one digit only you are allowed to touch.
Sir, in that first number 101, is there no, sir?
Yes.
That last one we can change as 3, sir.
No. You cannot moving only. They said it's only moving. They didn't allow you to bring a number from anywhere. By moving, just to move. They told you to move. Okay. Okay. They told you to move. Understood? Just one digit. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
In that case, what will happen?
What should we do in this question, sir?
You see this 2. Take this 2, okay? And put it on top of 10. Top of this 0. Alright? Hello?
Yes,
You take this 2 and keep it on top of 10. It will be 10 power 2.
yes,
So
10,
10 square. 10 square will be what?
100.
100. 101 minus 100 is 1.
1.
Yeah, just take this 2 and place it here. Write the 2 here on top of this 0. So 10 raised to 2. Am I right? 10 power 2. Am I right? Hello? Are you all with me? Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes.
Atulyan understood? So 101 minus 100 we will get, which will be 1. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's move to the next one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The question is on the board. Vijay, read the question little loudly. Vijay, can you read?
Imagine there are three coins on the table: gold, silver, and copper. If you make a truthful sentence, you will get 1 point. If you make a false statement, you will get nothing. What sentence can guarantee you getting the gold coin?
Yes, yes. So what is the guarantee that we will get a gold coin in this particular scenario? How do we get it?
Sir, gold is shiny.
No, but you have to make a sentence. Imagine there are three coins on the table, gold, silver, and copper. If you make a truthful sentence, you will get 1 coin. If you
Sir,
make
there
a
are
false,
three coins on the table.
sorry?
There are three coins on the table.
Yeah, of course.
That's one sentence. Sir.
There are three coins placed on the table. Okay, one is gold, silver, and copper. So each indifferent. You make a truthful statement, you will get 1 coin. If you make a false statement, you will get nothing. What sentence you can guarantee that you get gold coin? That's the question here. Hello.
We can say anything, sir.
Yeah, tell me. It should be a truthful statement. What will happen, Atulyan? What can be the statement? What can be the statement? Any guess?
Sir, it's just the imagination only, no, sir.
No, not imagination. You have to make a sentence, you need to get a coin. That's all.
Sir, in that question, it's written, imagine there are three coins.
Okay. Understand there are, so let us make it as a understand there are three coins on the table. Or consider. Okay, look at this. Look at this. You will give me neither copper nor silver coin. Okay, that's a statement. You will give me neither copper nor silver coin. If it is true, then I have to get the gold. If it is true, then I have to get the gold coin. Okay. If it is lie, then the negation must be true. Okay. So you have to give me either copper or silver coin, which would break the given condition that you get no coin when lying. So the first sentence must be true. Understood? What happened?
Understand, sir.
Okay. The sentence is this, Rahul. The sentence, what I'm going to tell is, you will give me neither copper nor silver coin. Okay. If it is true, if you are not going to give me, what you have to do? You have to give me gold coin. Am I right? According to the condition of the question. If you neglect it, if you reject it, then it breaks the law. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. So let's move on to the next one. Are you all with me? Yeah. Let's see the next question. Yes. The next question is here. Atulyan will find the answer for this. Atulyan, get me the answer for this. So what was our message, today's message in the class, beginning of the class?
Concentration.
Little more developed area. What did I say in the beginning? I said Involvement. Is it involvement? Am I right? Did I say that? I said involvement. The message was involvement. You involve in something, focus will come automatically. Okay? If you don't involve, focus will not be there. So don't blame for anybody if there are no focus in your work or in your studies. Unless until you involve perfectly, focus will not be there. Focus will come only if you involve. Okay? Yeah. So what is that answer? Where is he? Our Atulyan. Atulyan.
Sir,
Answer. I can't see you. Come on here. When I ask you, you are keeping your video off. Answer. All right, Vijay. Going to be a trouble. Yeah, Vijay, tell me, Vijay. Yes, Vijay, tell me.
Sir, no, sir, you only call.
That's what answer me, na. Give me an answer. Answer is here. What is the answer, Vijay?
Look in the mirror, see what you saw. Take the saw, cut the mirror, make a hole, and then simply crawl through. Sir, like placing the mirror in walls.
Yeah, of course. Look in the mirror. See what you saw. Okay. Cut the mirror in half. Take the saw. Saw. What is saw? Right? Okay. So let's see the next one.
Sir,
Yeah. The next one. I think we can write down this and do it. Only if you write down, you'll be able to understand much better. Please write down. There was some people on a train. Kindly write down. Vijay, write. Atulyan, write. All of you write. All of you, please write. Okay, once you completed, let us discuss. All right, so what is your understanding about this problem? Vijay, what is your understanding about this problem?
sir, first the 19 people got off the train.
Okay.
Then 17 people got in. And now there are 63 people. In the beginning, how much people were there?
Right, okay. So how many were there in the beginning of the train? How many are there?
65.
65. How?
Sir,
63
my-
17 plus.
Yes, tell me, Rahul. I can
now
listen.
there are 63 people means we minus 17 people which get on the train on the first stop, sir.
Okay.
And then with that value we add 19, sir.
Okay.
That gives 65, sir. 63 minus 17 is 46.
Okay.
46 plus 19 is 65.
Okay. 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 So let's check whether that is the way. Yeah. Can you, if you can read it, or those who wanted to copy it, please copy it. So please copy the answer. Kindly copy the answer. So calculating the answer, it is simpler, very simpler than it seems. 19 people getting off the train can be represented by 19 and 17 people getting on the train as plus 17. Minus 19 and plus 17. So minus 19 plus 17 is equal to 2, and meaning that there were a net loss of 2 people. If there are 63 people on the train now, that means there were 65 to begin with. Understood? All of you are able to understand this? Copied this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's all from me in today's class. All right. So you may work out such problems offline, practice regularly, work out reasoning problems always. This will support you for NSCJS, NTSC, PRMO kind of examinations, such kind of problems, and analytical problems, logical problems, and analogy, all right, reasoning problems, arithmetic reasoning, mathematical operations. All these areas will support you for developing your analytical ability. Okay, so practice it on regular basis. Okay, till I come next class, continuously practice, learn your subjects on daily basis. Thank you very much for joining this class. Till we see you next time. Bye bye. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.